Welcome back. It's time for science lesson. Woohoo! This week we are learning about the 4 seasons in science. So there's a link to the Mystery Science video. Watch that. Here are all of the papers you'll be needing. So there's 2 pages that have all the weather. So there's winter and summer on one of them, or fall and spring and summer. So you need these 4. You have a sheet with the small ones. There is this chart, and then there's 4 papers that have each has like a quarter of a quarter of a circle this way. So you're gonna make a circle. I'm gonna go through how to do it. So first we'll do the small one. In the video on Mystery Science, it talks about learning the order of the seasons and how to go, and then it wants you to put them in order, and they put it in a line, but then they talk about how it's a circle because after winter it doesn't just stop, it goes back to spring, and then summer, and then fall, and then winter, so it just keeps going in a circle. So that's why there's a circle or a cycle. So you're going to cut out these 4 rectangles. I can't talk. One of this activity is great because it practices cutting. If your child can't cut by themselves, there are a couple different things you can do. You can hold the scissors for them like this, and then just have them push down on your thumb. So every time they do it, you got to push down, and then you lift your finger up, push down, lift up, push, so they can push it. If it's not perfectly straight, that's totally fine. We're not working on that right now. We're just working on the movement of the scissors. You can also help them hold the scissors, so put their hands in there and then put your hand over it and then cut with them. Or they can cut it by themselves, but they can't hold the paper, so they cut it, you position the paper. It does get kind of tricky, but it's great practice for them, so do it. Other things you can do are they have adapted scissors. If you have questions about those, let me know. There's some really cool adapted scissors out there. So let me cut these and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, it's Miss Tammy back again. So I cut out the squares. So then you're going to get this paper. You're going to have or help your child write their name in the top. If they cannot write it by themselves, hold their hand and write their name. And then as you write it, spell it. So my name's Tammy. So I would do Tammy as I write it, so they can get that practice of spelling their name, what letters they use to spell their name, and the motor memory of writing it. If they can do it by themselves, great, do it. If they want independence, help them first and then have them do it by themselves, or do it by themselves and then help them so they still get that practice. So then you're going to pick any season that you want and glue it right here, and then just glue the other ones in order. So I'll do it and then show you. Okay, so here it is, what it looks like. I started with summer because it is summer, and then you can talk about how it changes and you need to change, or as the seasons change, it kind of goes in a circle. For this next part, you need to cut these in half. You can have the kids color them, and then you're going to cut the circle parts out. So I'll cut them out and show you. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I did it a couple different ways. So I took the part that had the seasons with the pictures. So after I colored them, my kids colored them, right? So on these 2 down here, I cut the purple paper or the season paper to fit the circle, so you can see them. And then these ones I left the arrows. This one I didn't. It doesn't matter either way. It's a circle. The arrows just kind of show how it goes. And then these ones up here, I cut the strips out. Or I cut where it says the months and the arrow, and then I glued it onto the purple paper. Either way works. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then something you can do is have them put a star where their birthday is. So my birthday's in August. So I would put a star, or I would color it. Oh look, my birthday's in August. It's in the season of summer. And so it's just a fun way to do it. Bye!